Hey guys, it's Jacqueline over here at Homeschool Hangout.xyz, and today I am making a chatty, laid back, what's in the mail unboxing. And if you like these kinds of laid back videos, do me a favor, thumbs up, like, subscribe, all the things. So while you're watching this, I am recovering from having my gallbladder out. I'm filming this a week ahead. And yeah, so I figured something light and fun would be good. So the first thing we have, I already know what's in it. It's from the TikTok shop. For those of you who don't know, I am over there for Nerd Mom's Life. And this is so cute, and I'm so excited. It is the perfect timing with the surgery coming up. It is one of these little mini coloring books, Tiny Eats and Treats coloring book. It's so cute. It is so cute. Nice thick paper. My husband is sure that this is a brilliant marketing thing because every time they sell you a pack of pins, especially for those planners like I am, they should sell something like that to use up the pins. So yes. So gallbladder surgery, I'm supposed to go in at like 5:30 in the morning, check in, surgery at 7:30. I should be home by the time this goes live, sleeping. So yeah, they told me 3 days of really hard stuff. So this is the gratitude goggles, so cute. Andrea Mendoza Vascones, PhD, art by Rita Nilsson. This is so cute. This is from wholesomechildrenbooks.com. So in case you're wondering where to get your wholesome children's books, look at the art. It's so cute. Imagine wearing sparkly, colorful goggles that reveal the world in all its colorful splendor. This is so cute. This is also really good if you wanted to do something Thanksgiving themed and with the kids about gratitude and all that good stuff. So nice. The next thing is from TikTok shop, and I cheated and I opened this early because I had to make a TikTok video about it and I needed some tea. This is from the Good Village, and it's good and clear loose leaf tea for coughs and stuff. I made it. I put a little bit of honey in it. It's got peppermint leaf, chamomile flowers, marshmallow root, wild crafted mullein, which I'm not familiar with, and licorice. And I really like it, and I don't like licorice. So my steroid asthma inhaler is on back order. So I'm doing everything I can to make sure I don't get a cough before I go into surgery, because I do that. So yeah. The next thing, I didn't even open these this time beforehand. Sometimes I at least cut all the packages open so you don't have to go through it. So what else is going on? Well, after I film this video, I'm actually going to go see a doctor about my kidneys. So yeah, my life right now is a lot of doctors. So, okay, next up is, I love these kinds of books. 1001 Friendly Challenges for Kids, Teens, and Adults. The ultimate book of would you rather questions. Would you rather travel around the world or travel to the moon? Would you rather be in a field with hundreds of butterflies or hundreds of fireflies? Would you rather meet your favorite superhero or meet your favorite cartoon character? This is so cute. This is by Kimberly McLeod. I believe this is going on sale just went on sale this week. I'm trying to remember. I'm filming this a week ahead. I believe this goes on sale the 22nd. These kinds of things are great for road trips, which we're heading into a big road trip season with holidays. These are great for large groups, like a family and stuff. Nice little activity to do with them. And it's structured very much like Would You Rather. And you got oars here. And so you just appoint someone who's going to be the reader for the group, and then everyone can vote and say why. I'm actually thinking this might be really good at the high school senior Friendsgiving event. So you have different categories. You've got hard to choose, make-believe, hobbies and activities, animals, food, home and family, travel, science and nature, school, clothes, historical, and seasonal. Cute, 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 cute. Yes, this would be a lot of fun to do with a group of kids. They're 17 and almost adults, but kids, So what else is going on here? Senior class is busy and picking up. We're about to start RC's Candy fundraiser for their senior trip. Now, the reason that we do these, or the way we can do these kinds of field trips, is because we are part of a official legal nonprofit co-op type thing. It's a support group. It's not even a co-op. It's a support group. And that's where the whole senior class kind of comes together to begin with. And we do the big graduation. We do the field trips. We do senior trips. We do merch, like they'll have sweatshirts. But the big thing is there is a nonprofit number. And in order to do these kinds of fundraisers, you have to be part of a group with a nonprofit number. So this is volume 4 of You Can Cook Anything, a guide for newly inspired cooks. This is Things with Wings and Fishy Things by, I'm going to kill this. It's George Morgan. George? Images by Nick Elia. So yeah, if you don't know yet, I love a cookbook. But I love a nice, simple cookbook. So this is Millionaire's Chicken. And ooh, it's really a schnitzel type dish. Nice pictures. Really easy to understand instructions, which I think is great. And this is part of a series. So if you like this for your students, you can get other themed things. Love it. If you don't know by now, cooking is a subject in my household. And you don't have to be like a fine chef or anything, but you need to be able to cook everything that you kind of would want to eat. That was kind of the thing with my husband. I love to cook, so I cook all kinds of things. And Jeremy could cook what he wanted to eat. And he made himself dinner every night through college because he was on a budget. And he made steak, he made chicken, deep fried chicken, he made things like that. And yeah, he was a good cook. He is a good cook. And it also means he can cook when I don't want to. So that helps too. Or let's be honest, when the kids aren't available, because now the kids cook most of the time. Slow Living by Stephanie O'Day, Cultivating a Life of Purpose in a Hustle-Driven World. You know, she takes her famous slow cooking tips from crockpot to everyday life. And it's talking about balancing that world of social media and go with everything else. And so this book is all about slow living. And I kind of like that. I am a sucker for the hustle culture. And what that really means is I just make myself feel bad because I don't get done as much as I could or should. And that's not always fair to myself, but more importantly than that, it's not always fair to my family. And so I get books like that, though, not necessarily just for me, but I get it so my kids have that healthy balance. How to hustle when we need to hustle and how to rest when we need to rest. Even Jesus took a Sabbath. So, and a second copy of You Can Cook Anything, Volume 4. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. Not on this video. I'll let you guys know. So don't worry. I won't sneak it. I'll let you guys know. Okay. Because, yeah, that looks like a great book for new chefs, new people who are new to cooking. Okay, the last one. This is a really light thing, like I said. I just wanted to shoot a light chatty video. There's a Robot in My Socks by Meredith Rusu, illustrated by Martine Moran. The Mighty Moods series. So moods. Jamie has a robot in her socks that make sure things go just right. But when a trip to Grandma's messes up Jamie's routine, will her robot start to fritz and fight? Oh, I think we all can relate to that. Beautiful illustrations. But yeah, so the seniors start their See's Candy sales. They started this week. The paperwork got handed out at Bible study. So if anybody wants to order See's Candy from me, you can, for my daughter. What else is going on? And we're doing senior Bible study. Let's see. This week leading up to my surgery has been a busy week. I had, because I'm filming this in advance, we've got people over Tuesday night for senior Bible study. We host a small group Wednesday night, and then Thursday morning at 5:30, I am going to go have surgery. So yeah. So I'm not super worried about it. I'm a little bit more worried about the actual doctor's appointment I have right after I film this. And that is for my kidneys. So we will see. We will see. If you want to be kept up to date on that, check out Nerd Mom's Life. I'm trying to be better about that. But yeah, I will talk to you all later. Bye.